So if I were to go ahead onto the circle tool right here, and let's say, for example, create a circle, then you do have a circle, but you can see that as I were to zoom in, these are a bunch of straight lines. So whenever you create a circle, it's actually just creating a bunch of straight lines and connecting them together. If you want it to be smoother, then you can actually go ahead and while beginning drawing this circle, you can go ahead and enter the lines. For example, if I were to go around over here onto the circle tool, click on it, here you can see that the sides by default is 24. So if I were to type in 100, let's say for example, press enter, then you get 100 sides, as you can see right there. Click and drag it, and then compared to this one, you can see that this is much more smoother because there's smaller lines right here, making it appear more like a circle now. But let's say you want to go ahead and increase the side for this circle as well. In that case, you can utilize something called entity info. So to do that, you can go ahead onto the selection tool and simply select out this particular S right here. Click on the S and then it gets selected. So now what you can simply do is right click and then go to entity info. And over here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So let's just go around onto the circle, the S right here, just like this. You can see that the segment for this particular S is 100, but if I were to go around over here, this is 24. Simply go ahead and type in 100 right here and press enter, and then you simply have higher segment for this. Type in 10, then it is lower. And you can go ahead way lower as well, just like this, as you can see, like 5 or even 3, as you can see right here, to make a triangle and so forth. And you want to be really high, then you can go to 100 and more as well. But the more segments there are, the more processing power your computer needs. And if you have a very good graphic card, then it won't be a problem. But if it is slowing your computer down, then you may want to go ahead and decrease out the segments in your models. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the entity info and circle sides inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe